Welcome to Brindavan, a Parthasadi family Samarpanam to our beloved parents, a space for enjoying Vaishnava Sampradaya, slokas, songs, Divyadesa Pasarams, and much more. Namaskaram. Today we will have the Arthanubhavam of Slokam 15 of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam in our Ayiram Namangal, Ayiram Gunangal. ராமானுஜதயாபாத்திரம் ஞானவைராக்கியபூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத்வேங்கடநாதாரியம் வந்தே வேதாந்ததேசிகம் ஸ்ரீசைலேஷதயாபாத்திரம் தீபத்யாதிகுணாத்மம் யதீந்திரப்ரவணம் வந்தே ரம்யஜாமாதரம் முனிம்.
लोकाध्यक्षः धर्माध्यक्षकृताकृतः चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूहश्चतुर्दंष्ट्रश्चतुर्भुजः.
The first nama in Slokam 15 is Lokadaksha. Lokam means universe. He is the master of the universe and he very particularly knows the people who follow the path of dharma. We already saw how he knows everything, even though we are not able to see him, but he knows what we are doing. So he particularly knows the people who follow the path of dharma and he protects them. So he is called Lokadaksha. Nama is Lokadhyakshaya Namaha. The second nama is Suradhyakshaha, which means Bhagavan manages the Lokapalakas, who are the caretakers of the Lokam, or the universe, who are the Devas. He manifests and supports them when they are confronted by the Asuras. The Asuras are always preventing the Lokapalakas or the Devas from doing their duty. Bhagavan comes, he manifests, and he confronts the Asuras and kills them and ensures the Lokapalakas protect all of the universe. The nama is Suradhyakshaya Namaha. The next nama is Dharmadhyaksha, where it is said that Bhagavan ensures that all those who follow the path of Dharma get the fruits of their actions. So he ensures that people are rewarded for their action. They get the good phala for their actions. Not only that, he also ensures those who are bad, who follow the non-dharmic pathway or do not follow the dharmic pathway, that they do not get good results. They get only returns only according to their actions. In this way, he is Aniruddha, which is the one form of the Vyuham. He is the protector, Aniruddha, where he ensures that people are rewarded according to their actions. A very beautiful happening for this is about Tirumangiyalvar, how he got transformed into Vishnu Bhakti. We will see his pasarams. Tirumangiyalvar is the last of the Alvars. Very early in life, he became the chieftain of the Cholaki. He is the Amsam of the Sargam, or the bow of Lord Vishnu. He wanted to marry Kumadoli Nachiyar. Kumadoli Nachiyar agreed to the marriage, but said that Alvar should turn into a Vishnu Bhakta. Only then she will get married to him. Alvar agreed to that and became a Vishnu Bhakta. And his Periyathirumozhi, which has more than 1,000 pasurams, is very well known to all of us. There, in the first 10 pasurams, he describes about how he came to know of Perumal. Because Perumal came in to him directly and gave him the mantropadesha of Om Namo Narayana Ashtakshara mantra. He says, after I understood or after I came to know the name of Narayana, I understood what is life. So we will see the first Periyathirumozhi 1.1.1 and the other one which is also which explains what Bhagavan can do for us in 1.1.9. வாடினேன் வருந்தினேன் மனத்தால் பெருந்துயர் இடும்பையில் பிறந்து கூடினேன் கூடி இளையவர் தம்மொடு அவர் தரும் கலவியே கருதி ஓடினேன் ஓடி உய்வதோர் பொருளால் உடற்வென்னும் பெரும் பதம் திரிந்து நாடினேன் நாடினான் கண்டுகொண்டேன் நாராயணா என்னும் நாமம். He says, I went running behind wealth and I fell into the ditch of getting carried away by that. And I went on thinking about myself and life and money and everything. But only after understanding Bhagavan and knowing the name of Narayana, I understood what is life. In the 9th Pasuram, he says, knowing this Namam, what it can give you. Kulam tarum selvam tandidum adiyar parituyaya ayinellam நிலம் தரம் செய்யும் நீள் விசும்பு அருளும் அருளோடு பெருநிலம் அளிக்கும் வளம் தரும் மற்றும் தந்திடும் பெற்ற தாயினும் ஆன செய்யும் நலம் தரும் சொல்லை நான் கண்டுகொண்டேன் நாராயணா என்னும் நாமம். He says, knowing and understanding Bhagavan gives you kulam taram. It gives you the lineage. All the rest is not worthy. Nilam taram, it gives you wealth. Ariloda perunilam alikum. He gives you perunilam. We can also take it as peranad. It can give you moksha. Valam tarum matrum tandidam. It gives everything. Petre tayinum ayin seyyum. Which means that the mother is ready to sacrifice anything for her children and give them whatever she wants, whatever the children want. Bhagavan is more than the mother. Petra tayinum ayinatannum. It can give anything more than the mother. Nalam sollum taram tarum செய்ய சொல்லை நான் கண்டுகொண்டேன். I came to know of the name Narayana என்னும் நாமம். So he says how he was in the beginning and what Bhagavan can give us. Thirumangalvar Periyathirumozhi. The next nama is Krita Kritaha. These two words, Kritaha and Akritaha. Bhagavan is Dharma himself. He gives both temporary materialistic pleasures like wealth, luxury, everything in this earth when we are in the Bhulokam to enjoy. And he also gives us permanent or eternal bliss, moksham, and liberation from the cycle of birth, death and rebirth. He is the only one who can do both. That's why he is Krita Kritaha. The nama is Kritakritaya Namaha. Bhagavan is called Chaturatma because he has 4 Vyuha forms. Vasudeva, the Paravasudeva form. Then you have the Sankarshana, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. They are used for his functions of creation, annihilation, protection and giving moksha. Chaturatmane Namaha is the Nama. We can see these 4 forms in Parthasarathi temple in Chennai. Thiruvangi in his Periya Thirumazhi 2.3.1 sings about Parthasarathi Perumal. Vippare Viravum Kanjanum Mallum Veramum Pahanum Veera Setravan Tannai Puramari Seida Sivanuru Tuyarகளை Kevai Pattalar Kool Kaiyil Kondu Parthan Munnindraனை சிற்றவை பணியால் முடிதுறந்தானை திருவல்லிக்கேணி கண்டேனே. He describes the Parthasarathi Perumal temple in Tiruvallikeni, where Perumal chose all his Yuga forms. He is with Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna and Aniruddha in the Mulavarsanadi. Bhagavan's Divyamangala Murti has 4 forms or states. Aniruddha, the Jagratavastha, which is the ready state. Pradyumna, Swapnavastha, is the deep state. Sankarshana, Sushupti Avastha, dreamless or deep sleep state. And the Vasudeva, Turiyavastha, or the final state. So that is what we call Chaturvyuha. The Nama is Chaturvyuhaya Namaha. Here we see the 4 Vyuha forms of Bhagavan. Vasudeva, the Paravasudeva. Pradyumna, when he is ready to come and protect his bhaktas and annihilate the bad people. And then Anuruddha and Sankarshana. The next one we will see is Chatur Damshraha. Damshra means teeth. Chatur means 4. In the transcendental form or the Paravasudeva form, he has 4 strong teeth. In Srimad Ramayana, this quality of Bhagavan, Chakravarti Thiruvan, Lord Rama, is called as a special mark of a great person. Mahapurusha Lakshana. So the strong teeth are supposed to be Mahapurusha Lakshana. The Nama is Chaturdamshtraya Namaha. In Srimad Ramayana, Sundarakandam 35.19, Hanuman describes Lord Rama Chakravarti Thirumagan to Sita Devi. Chaturdasamat Vandva Chaturdamsa Chaturgatihi. One who has 14 parts of the body, fully symmetric with no blemishes. He has 4 beautiful big teeth and he walks with the beauty of an elephant, tiger, lion and the bull. This is the way Rama is described in Srimad Ramayanam in Sundarakandam by Hanuman to Sita Devi. Now we come to the last Nama, Chaturbhujaha. Chatur we have seen as 4, Bhujam is arms. He has 4 hands or 4 arms in the transcendental Paravasudeva form. Each one carrying a different thing. One carries the Shankam or the Panchajanyam. The other carries the Chakram or the discus or the Sudarshana Chakra. The third one carries the Gada or the mace. And the fourth one carries the Padma, the lotus, as told in Vishnu Purana. The Nama is Chaturbhujaya Namaha. The 15th sloka. Bhagavan is the master of the world. He is the Lord of the Devas. He ensures people following path of Dharma are rewarded with fruits of their actions, and he also ensures that those not following the dharmic path do not get any good results. He gives both worldly pleasures and moksha to those who surrender to him, eternal bliss. He has four Vyuha forms. In which Pradyumna, he is the creator, Anuruddha, he is a protector, and he also annihilates the bad people in order to protect his devotees without any obstruction. He does everything on his own. In the Sankarshana form, he attracts everything towards him with his jnanam and his bala. In the Paravasudeva, he has all the 6 Divya Mangala Gunas, and he is a Parabrahman or the transcendental form. He has 4 strong teeth, which is told in Srimad Ramayana as Mahapurusha Lakshanam. He has 4 strong arms carrying Shankam or the Panchajanya, Chakaram, the Sudarshana Chakram, the Gada and the Padmam. This brings us to the end of Slokam 15. See you all in the Anubhavam of Slokam 16.